In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Cash App to Apple Pay. So the first thing that we want to do is just load up your Cash App application on your iPhone or iPad. And then we will click on the card icon here at the bottom next to the little bank. So click on it and we want to proceed like this. I'll just refer us to this article. So after we have clicked on the Cash Card icon, then we will need to select the image of our Cash Card. Then we will tap on the menu option that reads Add to Apple Pay. Then we just gotta follow the directions and the prompts as they appear on our screen, and on the final screen it will confirm that our Cash Card has been added to Apple Pay. All we gotta do then is just click on Done, located at the bottom, and this is going to add our Cash Card to Apple Pay. So it's really as simple as that. I hope this helps you out. Like I said here, click on the card icon, get your card and just select Add to Apple Pay. So leave a like and sub if this helped, and I'll see you next time.